Dear brothers and sisters of the world, we're looking at Dr. Zakir Naik's argument about polygamy. Let us look at the piece where he's talking about what is justice, what is culprit, who is judge, who is victim. Let us look at that. Look at the ambiguous statement. You marry in twos or threes or fours. If you can't do justice, marry only one. The first part is a universal endorsement. The second part is a conditional restriction. The condition is inapplicable at the time of second marriage because the question of justice has not even happened. Also, what is even meant by doing justice? Who is there to verify? Thus, it remains unverifiable at all times. Who is the judge? If one says that God is the judge, he does not come and talk to the person and he does not interfere or he does not interface in real life. Is the man the judge or the wife the judge or the outsiders the judge? Who is the judge? When the marriage is bilateral, the condition is unilateral. By the very type of condition, man doing justice indicates the possibility of woman being a victim. If that were the case, why is she not part of the decision making? Why is she kept out of this whole thing? Decision making? When the man intends to marry more than one woman, there can be several reasons, like lust for the other woman, political gain, power gain, monetary gain, compassion for the other woman, pressure from someone, opportunity to expand business, opportunity to further the mission one is on, etc., etc., etc. The list can be endless. However, would any man who decided to marry second one even give a thought to whether he is going to do justice or not? Is he even going to think about it? To start with, the second marriage is based on the claim from the man. What can the claim be? The man says, I intend to do justice. Or the man says, I think I can do justice. Or the man says, I promise that I will do justice. Or the most practical and possible scenario. The man thinks in his heart, I don't care about justice and I don't even know what it means by doing justice. But my job is done if I say I can do justice. This obviously is the mode of thinking. Make hay while the sun shines. So, the religious text is giving license for a wrong act. Is this not simply a self deception of the religious text itself? Is the religious text aware that there is perfect scope for a false claim that one intends to do justice? If it is aware and still gave that statement, that shows that the text is insensitive to the good of the society. What is worse, it can even be treated as an accessory in the act of the misdeed by the man. If it is not aware, then it is tantamount to ignorance of Quran and God. At that moment, before second marriage, no one would say, I won't be able to do justice. Of course, one may wash off one's hands by saying, oh, that the issue is not in the text, but it is with the individual. But the text is endorsing polygyny wrongly because no one knows the future. Even in some cases, the person may genuinely have the intention and hope he would do justice, but in course of time fails to do justice for various reasons, then is there any scope to rectify the situation? It is one way traffic and it is a ruin for all that are involved.